Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. In our last video, we went over two verbs, to sleep, спать, and to talk, говорить. In this video, we're going to learn a couple more. Specifically, работать, which means to work, and ПИТЬ, which means to drink. These verbs are very similar in that they are both pretty much regular and have almost the same verb endings, so they should be pretty easy to remember together. Okay, so let's take a look. First, we've got these common verb endings, and in this case, they're going to be the first one in each list. So for я, it will be you. For ты, ешь. For он and она, ест. For мы, ем. For вы, ете. And for они, ют. So let's take a look at the first one. Работать. It means to work. Okay, so repeat after me. I work is я работаю. You work is ты работаешь. Он работает. Она работает. Мы работаем. Вы работаете. Они работают. Great job! Okay, that's the verb работать, which means to work. So let's look at some examples. Они работают с тобой. They work with you. Она хорошо работает с ним. She works well with him. Я работаю врачом. This means I work as a doctor, but notice that we use врачом. We use it in the instrumental case because whenever you're talking what your profession is, when you say I work as something, it's almost as if you become the instrument. You are getting you're functioning as what? As a doctor. That is kind of like the instruments that's being used to heal other people. So remember, when you're talking about your profession, use instrumental case. Я работаю врачом. Okay, and the other verb is пить, which means to drink. So, я пью, I drink. Notice there's a soft sign there, just something to pay attention to when it comes to spelling. Я пью. Repeat after me. Ты пьешь. Okay, notice that we are using ё instead of е, so it's almost regular. Он пьет. Она пьет. Мы пьем. Вы пьете. Они пьют. So notice that these two verbs, работать and пить, have almost the same endings. The only difference is that пить uses ё instead of е. Okay, some examples. Они пьют воду. So remember, just like when we're talking about eating things, what you're eating or what you're drinking, that object needs to be in the accusative case. Они пьют воду means they drink water. Ты пьешь вино. You drink wine. Марина не пьет водку. Marina doesn't drink vodka. Excellent job. Let's do some translation practice next. Translate these sentences. He works well. Он хорошо работает. We don't drink coffee. Мы не пьем кофе. Anna works alone. Anna работает одна. I drink tea. Я пью чай. They work on the floor. Они работают на полу. Great job! That's it for these two verbs, работать and ПИТЬ. Give yourself a huge pat on the back for making it this far. In the next video, we're going to do the final round of verbs before we move on to a different topic. So look forward to that. If you haven't already, subscribe. I post new videos every week. We learn Russian from scratch. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment. I would love to answer your questions or just see you say hi. That's it for now. Have a wonderful day. Bye.